Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start to study about physiology. What is physiology? So it is a combination of physics and biology. So it is a branch of science dealing with the basic functions of living organism. In physiology, what we study is the functioning of the living organism. We study the function. The function is the basic word that you need to remember, that whatever happening in the body, if we want to study about the functioning, then we will say that we are studying physiology. So physiology is like normal. Okay, so normal functioning of the living organism, whichever living organism we are going to study about humans. So human physiology, the functioning happening in the systems of the human organisms is physiology. It is normal functioning. If we study about the abnormalities present in the human body, then we will call it as pathology. So the pathology is the properties belonging to normal functioning of the tissues, organs and our body. Physiology is normal, but pathology is abnormal. Okay, pathology is abnormal and physiology is normal. Going further, so actually physiology is all about yourself. In human physiology, we are going to study about ourselves, our normal functioning, about our normal systems. So that is physiology. In the physiology, to get a brief introduction, what we are going to study in the next videos are all the systems present in our body. We are going to study them one by one. If you want to study all of them, you need to continue watching my videos. First of all, we will study about cell physiology, then cardiovascular physiology, in CVS, the heart physiology, then the respiratory system physiology about that, the GIT or gastrointestinal system, the renal physiology or kidney, the endocrine system about the glands and hormones, the reproductive system, then the musculoskeletal system, the nerve physiology. We will study about our nervous system, the neurophysiology or nervous system, and the special senses also, which will include ear and eye. So we are going to study all of these systems in the physiology, in the human physiology. This is a human being. It has all these systems in the body. When we study the functioning of the system, then we will call it as that we are studying the physiology of the human. So structural and functional hierarchy, this is the structural and functional hierarchy. In this you can see that there are different physiological terms. So the elementary particles like atoms, which makes combine and form molecules, then it forms components, and these components when combined they form organelles. These are the non-living components. When organelles form, organelles makes a cell. There are different organelles present in the cell. This is the living part starts. The cells combine and form the tissues. The many tissues form the organs. Then the organ system is a form, which system has different organs included in itself. Then when the different organ systems, they combine, they work together, then we call it as an organism, an individual, a person. Then the different persons makes a population. In a community there are many populations included. We will call it as an ecosystem when we combine all the communities. Then the whole of the biosphere have then this is the different terminologies used. In hierarchical organization, the cells, the tissues, the organs, organ system and the organism, this is we are going to study. Cell is the basic unit of the life, where the living organism start. The first system, first thing is, the first unit is cell. So going forward, there are the different levels which we are going to study. As we studied earlier, the cellular level, the cells that are made up of different molecules. Then it forms the tissues. The tissues consist of similar types of the cells. Okay, these tissues Then they form the organs. Organs are made up of different types of tissues. This is the organ. Then from organ, the organ systems are formed. The organ system consists of different organs that work together closely with each other. So we will in future, in different videos, we will study all these divisions of the physiology, starting from the cell physiology and all the systems that are present in human being, inshallah.